Hey, Fox Body Time here at Unique, especially in classics, even a four-eyed Fox, as you can see. 1984 Ford Mustang GT350 T-top hatchback. Won't see a lot of these out there with the T-tops, no doubt about that. Also, 5-liter paired up with an automatic transmission, only 934 built with the 5.0 and the automatic, so pretty rare GT350 here. Of course, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC components all appear that they are there. I've not had the compressor kick on and off, FYI. Of course, the GT350 was the 20th anniversary package. And they all would come Oxford white, Canyon red. This particular one has the cloth articulating sport seats in it. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the interior, engine bay, undersides, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. So we take a look at the front fascia. Paint shows well on this one. A little over 66,000 miles on the odometer. Of course, the 10-hole alloy wheels. Interior shows well, like the exterior does, and very stock. Little dash plaque commemorating the 20th anniversary and the limited edition. Also, sequins number there, as you can see on the dash. You'll be able to see that in a still picture. I've got a close-up of it. Also, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. And I have pictures of the T-tops in and T-tops out, FYI. It does come with the T-top soft case for when you're storing them, if you have them taken out. There are the mirrored T-tops. They're the factory stack ones. And once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Just click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. If you're looking for a T-top Fox body, especially a 4-eye, I'd take a close look at this one. You just do not come across these every day. This is an Omaha, Nebraska DSO car. I believe it was sold in southwestern or western Iowa, where it originated from. And you can see interior also shows well, not full of rips, tears, holes, discoloration. This color, remember, it's one of those when I get right on top of it, it will fade out. If you want the true color of that canyon red interior, there it is right there. If I stand back, it gives you a much more true color than if I come up on top of it, it starts to fade it out. Show you that one more time. There is the true color of that interior. All right. Power window, power lock car also. AM, FM cassette with the amp, as you can see. And that's all in working order. That's fired up. I'm going to show you some. Also fog lamps. Sit down there. There's your mileage, 66,115. All right, and then with the amp. So that's in working order. Also your kind of little information center showing low fuel, and then of course you have a headlight out or washer fluid's low. There's that automatic transmission paired up with that 5-liter. Look at that dash, no cracks. Discoloration. Don't see them like that real often either. Door closes nicely. I guess what you'd expect a 5-liter 1984 Mustang to sound like. Nothing crazy over the top. Again, very stock appearing. I'm going to pause this a second. Let's pop this hood, take a look at that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video. There we go. Hood propped up. 5 liter, 302 cubic inch V8. Again, power steering, power brakes, AC, and it appears the components are all here. Not had that clutch kick on and off, FYI. And stock looking engine bay. That's what you'd expect. Once again.
Here we have a 1984 Ford Mustang GT350. This is a 20th anniversary edition. It's a T-top car. Blower motor works.
Your vision benefits by shopping.
The radio works. Oil pressure is in the middle of the gauge. Fuel is on E, but it does work. The amps are on the upside of half. It's still warming up. The temperature is a quarter of the gauge. Squeak at the steering wheel. Some of the pieces touching each other closely. Gauges read well. No bouncing. Goes pretty straight. Maybe a little pull to the left. At cruising speed. Brakes straight. Brakes seem good. Let's get up to speed. That's 60 miles an hour. There's some vibration in the steering wheel. Feels like maybe a front tire. It's not pulling anymore, straight on this road. So it was probably just the road back there. Right indicator works. The wipers work.
There you have it. Box body you're not going to see every day. 1984 Ford Mustang GT350 hatchback T-top. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.